All right, this is a video on how to take a picture during your lab experiment in your Chromebook. So your Chromebook has a bunch of different apps. More recently, I've used my camera app, but you can get to that app by using this power bar and then going over and searching for a camera, and then your camera app will come up. Now, when you're taking a picture for your lab experiment, you're going to click over to the photo, make sure that the photo tab is on, and it's really literally going to take a selfie. So you're going to have to maneuver the Chromebook screen if you want a picture of the egg, which that's what we're going to be doing for the next couple of days. You could take a picture of your egg by maneuvering the screen. Now I'm going to do that right now. And you can see it counts down, so it does do 3, 2, 1. The picture is now taken. Now where does it go? The picture moves over to your files, and the files are in this little blue folder. And when you click on that, you'll see that that's the last picture that was taken, or the most recent. I would like to put that picture into my Google Documents. So going back to my Google Drive, I can open up my tab for my lab, and you can insert that picture by placing the cursor where you want it to end up, hitting the Insert tab, clicking Image, clicking Upload from Computer, and since it was the most recent, I'll select it, hit Open, and there it appears. You can also delete it just as easily. If you have any questions, please email me.